Alright, before we get into this video, I just want to say that I lost like 3 clips of my pets picking something. Like I lost the clip of my cat picking a palette. I lost the clip of my cat picking a primer or something like that. I don't forgot what I lost. And then I lost a clip of my dog picking something else. So I was thinking of redoing this video, like refilming it. And I tried to, but like... So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that I lost 3 clips. Thank you, goodbye, love you guys.
Hey guys, what's up? That was so bad. So in today's video, I'm gonna be filming a My Pets Pick My Makeup challenge. Is it a challenge? I don't even know. So I'm gonna introduce you to my pets. So here comes pet number 1. 1, 2. Oh! Oh! Wait a second, wait a second. Wait a second, wait a second, wait a second. Wait a second, wait. Okay, hello guys. So this is pet number 1. She's really heavy. This is my dog, Dolce. I have 3 pets, by the way. 1 dog and 2 cats. So this is Dolce, and she's the oldest of the bunches. She is 13 or 12, and she is the sweetest little dog in the whole wide world. And I love you so much, Dolce. I love her with all my heart, and she loves me with all her heart, and she's really smart, and I love her. And she's gonna be helping us pick my makeup, right, Dolce? Are you gonna be helping me? You better be helping me. Okay, yeah, so that's Dolce. Now let's move on to the second pet. The second pet is Flor. Flor, her name is Flor, like flower in Spanish, but I call her Flo. She's 4 years old. No, you need to calm down. She's a feisty one. She gets mad really easily, but she's also really nice. She's really pretty. Look at her eyes. She doesn't want to be here, but okay. So that's Flor. She's gonna help us pick my makeup too, right? I love you. Okay, next. And finally, last but not least, this is Maggie. She really doesn't like to be carried. Hold on. Oh no. She's 1 year old. She's 1 year old. She's 1 years old. She's 1. She's a little baby, a little kitty witty, a little kitty co-witty. I love you. She's really small. Not really. No, she is small. Okay, she wants to leave. But that's Maggie, and she's gonna help us as well. Right, Maggie? Let's just get it started. Let's get to picking. Ew, that was so gross. Okay, so we're gonna start off with brows. Dolce, babe. Oh, pick one. Come on. Dolce, come on. Which one you want? This one, or this one? Pick. You do me a favor and pick something for me, Dolce. Pick something. Mira. Which one you want, Dolce? Pick one. Bless you. Don't sneeze all over my makeup. You're gross. Oh, I love you. Oh no, you can't be picking 2. Okay, she picked this one. I'm sorry. Thank you, Dolce. Okay, so Dolce, after like 20 minutes, she picked this eyebrow thing. It's by Cella, and it is the Tantalizing Taupe eyebrow cream. See, this is why I don't like this brow pomade thing, because it just looks so thick. Not thick, it looks, I don't know, like it just looks like too much. You know what I mean? Okay, so I'm gonna carve my brows off camera, and I'm gonna be using my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. And this is the foundation I'm gonna be using, because I only have this foundation, so they can't pick a foundation because this is the only one I have. Oh, and also they're not gonna pick concealer or powder, because I only have 1 concealer and I only have 1 powder. So I'm gonna carve my brows out, and I'll be right back. Let's just let Flor pick my contour. Here we go. Good morning, Flo. You wanna pick something for me, Flo? Come on, let's go. Oh my goodness. Okay, Flor. Nice and easy. Pick something. Okay, good girl. I love you. You're really quick, and I love you. Okay, so Flor picked this for my contour. This is literally my concealer, but I have like these shades over here that I sometimes use as like cream contouring. This literally looks orange. Like it works. Somehow it works. I just do a little bit since it's like cream. I don't want to like do too much. Then after I have that, we're gonna move on to bronzer, and Maggie's gonna pick this one, and I'm not gonna lose the clip, hopefully. Okay, Maggie, you wanna pick something for me, please? Come on. get up, get up. Alright. Pick one, Maggie. Pick one. Come on. No, come on, just pick one. Are you picking that one? I don't think so. You need to touch it. I'll bring them closer to you if you want. But you gotta pick. Why you gotta be so difficult? I don't understand. You're gonna pick one. I don't care if it's the last thing you do. You're gonna pick one. Which one? That one? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so Maggie picked this bronzer, and this is like an eyeshadow palette and a face palette in one, but we're gonna use this bronzer. This is the Pure Midnight Masquerade face palette. I feel like the only one that's truly cooperating is Fleur. Like, she's like picking them in 1 second. But Dolce and Maggie are like, they just don't want to be a part of this. Next is blush, and Dolce does not like to cooperate, but we're gonna make it work. So Dolce's gonna pick my blush, so let's see what she chooses. So Dolce, please cooperate and choose one. Oh my god, they're like really... Which one? Come on, choose. That one? Okay. Thank you, Dolce. I love you. Okay, so Dolce chose this Laura Geller Big Blush, which is completely shattered, but I still use it. Okay, who's next? Oh, Fleur's next. So Fleur's gonna choose my highlight. So let's see what she chooses. I love you. Oh, I'm sorry, but you have to pick for me. Hey, wait. Pick for me, Flo. Flo, pick one. Come on, Flo, Flo, pick. I'm gonna turn you around. Hey! Your tail is touching that one. Should I go for that one? This one? This one or this one? Pick, pick. This one? This one? Oh, you're mad. Okay, I'm just gonna go for this one. Okay, thank you, Flo. Flo, you're so nice. Love you. So Fleur got mad at me, but she kind of picked this one. This is the Pure Sculptor palette, and I'm gonna use this to highlight. Now, there's 2 shades in here, but I'm not gonna make her pick a shade because she's already mad at me. So I'm just gonna mix both, you know, whatever. We're good. And I'm just gonna highlight my face with this. Oh my gosh. Okay, wow, what? Maybe that's too much. That is way too much. But you know what? It's okay. All right, I'm just gonna set my face. So now they're gonna pick mascara. Who's gonna pick it? Maggie's gonna pick mascara, and then Dolce's gonna pick lips, and then we'll be done. Okay, let's see what Maggie picks. Here's option number 1, Maggie. Here's option number 2, and here's option number 3. So pick one. That one? Maybe you picked that one because it was closer to you, but you know what? I'll take it. So thank you so much. I love you. Thank you. So Maggie picked this Tarte mascara, the Tarteist. I don't know how to say this, but she picked that one. So we're gonna put that mascara on. I feel like my pets are just like annoyed at me at this point. Like, they're just done. They want to go to sleep. I won't let them sleep, but we're almost done, so they need to wait. Oh my god, I just stabbed myself. Okay, so now the final step is lipstick. So let's just see what Dolce chooses. Hopefully she chooses it matte quick because it's getting dark out. And yeah, so let's see what she chooses. It all comes down to this. You can pick this one or this one or this one. So choose one, Doshi. Come on. You could do it. Come on, Doshi. Don't look at me like that. Just choose one. You could do it, Doshi. I believe in you, Doshi, and then I'll let you sleep, okay? Just pick one. Come on. Don't look at me. Look down. Look down and pick one. Oh, you picked this one. You low-key picked that one because you moved it. Low-key, you picked this one, so I'm just going to go with this one, okay, Fleur? I mean, Dolce, whatever your name is. I don't even know my pet's names. But yeah, thank you so much. I love you. Goodbye. Okay, so Dolce low-key picked this one. This is Kylie Cosmetics Malibu. I'm just going to put on a little bit and just like blend it out with my finger. So I'm just gonna take this off. Whoa, my highlight is crazy. And then after the lips, that completes this look. That completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for meeting my pets and watching them get mad at me. Please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.